touch it. And we got these goodies from Forever Resorts warm bath. I can't wait to open my goodies.
Me too. It's exciting, guys.
Let's open it up.
I got a frisbee.
And I got ping pong. Wow, guys. I've been wanting to play ping pong for a long, long time.
Me too. I got
a frisbee.
And I got a pencil case.
Guys, if I had a dog, I would play frisbee with him.
Me too. I got ping pong.
I got pencil case.
Wow, guys, this is exciting.
I'm checking out mine. Whoa,
And I got
what's this big head?
my bottle.
Guys, it lights. It lights. Coolest pen ever I've seen. Wow, guys, this is cool, guys.
Oh, guys, I got a clothes.
And I've got a water bottle. I'm
Guys,
taking
this
this
is
to
exciting.
school. I'm taking this to
Guys,
school.
this is exciting.
Yes, this is really exciting. I've got a t-shirt too.
Guys, this is exciting.
Wow. Wow. I've got one more.
Wow.
I've got bubbles, guys. I've got bubbles.
Me too.
Whoa, guys.
Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow.
Thank you for Ever Resorts warm bath. Thank you, KidsCon kids.
Stay safe out there.
Yes.